Welcome back to my channel, Jaguar. My name's Jagatria, and today I'm going to tell you an easy way to upload your Me emoji. Let's do that first of all. We're going to go into our app store and search for this very cool app. Then we're going to type in Emoji Me. After you've done that, it's going to come up this one. This is the icon. Emoji Me. I've already downloaded it, so I'm going to open it. You're going to download it. I've already made one face, but I am going to make another face so I can show you some of the easy ways how to do it. And I'm going to make the exact same face that I've made. Let's go choose a girl or a boy. It's up to you which one you are. I'm a girl. Now you're going to do a photo here, a photo of the person you are making. Take a selfie. Use this photo. Now I'm going to just try copying this onto my Me emoji. Let's do that. So we're going to do my skin color first of all. That's approximately my skin color. Don't you agree? Yeah, that's approximately it. Skin color. Now let's do the hair. Now, this is not my hairstyle, but it is my hairstyle if I leave my hair. So I'm going to do that. Let's see if there is any ponytails first of all. Nope, that's not my hair. Okay, let's do the hair that I did last time. This hair. Now we're going to go to this. I might not have a fringe, but yeah, I quite like this one. Now we're going to do the main color of my hair. My hair is black, so I'm going to do the black. Now, I don't have any highlights in my hair, but I would like some highlights. So I like this pink one. And we've got here. So now we're going to go, and we're going to, like these things is to make them closer. Then this is to make them bigger. And then this is to add in eyelashes or no. And I'm going to keep. No, this one. Cause a princess doesn't cry, no. And now we're going to do eye color. My eye color is like that color. Now we're going to do our eyebrows. Let's see, my eyebrows are approximately like that. Then I would like a little bit of mine now. Okay, I'm going to do no. So now let's do our mouth. So it's going to be a closed mouth. And even if I don't have any, I like this, that color. Mouth. And then we're going to do our nose. This one. And then we're going to do our earrings. I will like some earrings. But you can't really see my ears, so I quite like this. This face, no. This face. So I quite like this face. Now I'm going to do the face details. No face details. And I do not have any nice mustache. And I do have red glasses, so. And red. I approximately say that's nearest. Nah. Just do like. Yep. I like those. Now I'm going to do a hat. And since we're in the coronavirus time, Actually, I know that there is a sticker which like just automatically puts a mask, so I'm going to keep it, and I'm going to put my name, me. Save it. So they're both exactly this. Edit the face and the name, me. Done. Go, and we're going to save it. Nope, and then we've got our thing. So, as I was saying, since we're in this coronavirus time, there's like these wash your hands, and there's the mask one that automatically puts the mask onto your face. So, I am going to, first of all, check if it has, how you can actually do this. Like, how you can actually send this to someone. So, I am going to do the ones that I've made. So, the ones that I've made, I've just taken one of the stickers that I've liked. Let's see. Life is good. I quite like this one. Then we're going to do customize look. Now here, since I haven't bought anything, I've still got some pilot ones, but I like this one. And we're going to take off the hat, back and back. Oh yay, we can get the backgrounds. Life as, yeah, that's good. Let's see the flag. Life is good. And our glasses. Yep. No hat. And the faces. I quite like that one. And let's see. Oh, no. So first of all, we're going to need select all. Then we're going to copy. Then go up. And then we're going to paste. And then the lower text. Oh yeah. Now, let's press done. And now let's go, no, close. Let's save it. And then it comes to your save stickers. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this one and we're going to send the sticker. Now, I'm going to go to my messages. And the emoji is copied. So actually the emoji copies instead of just does it. So, now I'm going to go to my messages. And I've got actually a messages that just comes straight back to me. So this is mine. What we're going to do is we're going to tap and it's going to say paste. And then there you go, you've got your sticker. And oh yeah. I'm going to send it. And when it comes delivered, it will come back to me. So you can see this white line. You can see the line. And there's something else really cool about this app. If we go to Emoji Me, back. And if I want to just come here, love you, okay? Send the sticker, WhatsApp stickers. Choose at least 3 stickers. 1, 2, 3, let's hug, stay apart, wash your hands. Quite like this one, stay. I like that mask on. Happy birthday, life is good. So I'm going to just select these. Done. Creating a sticker pack. So on WhatsApp, you also do get stickers. So now I've opened WhatsApp and I'm importing sticker pack. Update. There we go. Now we go here and we click that. Come here and we've got our all the emojis. So we can go like that. More. Down. Down. So, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share this to anyone that they think they're very bored during quarantine and should try out these. And it's an easy way to communicate with your friends in this quarantine. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye!